jug challenge.
And with Zoe and Anna and Naomi are
our sisters. You're Zoe. How do you say Zoe?
My one's a bit more because I'm older.
Yes, and mine's a bit sweeter. That's what I want to know. And
Mine's
they're the
a bit
same size. Okay, we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. No. Yummy.
Oh, tell me what's in.
Yummy.
What did you win?
Are we doing more?
Will we do another one?
Yes.
Yes.
I do not want to do physics. Please don't be physics.
But I like fizzy. Please be fizzy.
How about we all do it with straws this time?
Yes.
Yes, straws are better.
And turn off the video.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Welcome. Okay.
Bye
guys. Thumbs up.
And bye guys.
And hit
And
the
make sure to
notifications
subscribe.
bell and subscribe to my channel. Bye.